Hello and welcome to JournalingGemLife. My name is Elin and I am super excited to inspire you to create your perfect planner. Whether you are looking to make it beautiful or functional or both, you have come to the right place. Here we dive into everything from unboxing the latest planner goodies to how-to videos that will help you maximize your planner's potential. I'll share tips and tricks to make your planning experience not just productive, but also a joy to use every single day. So if you're ready to transform your planner journey and make it uniquely yours, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let's get creative together and turn your planner dreams into reality. Remember, it's not just about the planning. It's about creating a life that you love. So let's get started.